G'day, this is how to install Microsoft Visual Code and Co-Pilot on macOS X. I'm downloading it here from the website. I'm going to download Universal, so for Intel as well as the new M2 Macs. I'm just using this currently on an Intel laptop. Once it downloads, you want to drag it to your applications folder or wherever else you want to install it. That's generally the place. And then it becomes searchable in Spotlight. Once that opens up, it's going to do some verification. Are you really sure? Yes, I am. And off we go. Now, once you've got Visual Studio installed, we then want to use some of the amazing features of Github Co-Pilot. So here we're going to install the extension. It's already recommending here Github Co-Pilot as one of the options to install. So I'm going to go there. We're going to click install. Once that's downloaded, it's going to want to authenticate. So we're going to click sign in. I've already signed in to GitHub in Safari. So when it opens up Safari, it's going to do the authentication code automatically and then send it back to Microsoft Visual Code. And off we go. So to show that it's working, you should see a new extension on the left-hand side there, GitHub Co-Pilot for the chat window. And here you can ask it any questions you want. You can ask it about highlighted code that you're currently working on. And obviously you can work with code within Visual Studio. You can make comments and see if it auto-completes code that you want to build. It is absolutely amazing, I must say. It certainly improved my productivity. And done. If you do need to sign out for any reason, just go to the little profile down in the left-hand corner, select GitHub, sign out, and you're done.